guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which falls every year in October. It is hosted by major cancer charities, and that's where we get the chance to donate as much as we can. So you guys be aware of this disease. There are many cancer charities going around so that we can actually prevent this disease, especially in women. We are trying to come up with a cure and a diagnosis for every woman, because every woman is different. We are all different, guys. But I just wanted to bring it to y'all's attention because we need to be in this together and not just one. We need to stand united as women. If you have a friend, your family members, make sure that they go to get their yearly exams, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Love you.